Yo, what's up, guys? This time we are going to do the number 8 in the 12-step copywriting strategy. I'm trying to do these all in a day, so I'm like kind of out of it. But anyway, this is number 8, give a guarantee. All right. To make your offer even more irresistible, you need to take all the risk out of the purchase. Remember that people have a built-in fear that they're going to get ripped off. How many times have you purchased a product and got stuck with it because the merchant wouldn't give you your money back? So let's think about this. Is there, okay, there's none of that in here. All right, so let's see. So for this, I don't want to like essentially what I don't want to do is waste this guy's time that I'm working with by I don't want to not that I don't want to give a guarantee, but I'm thinking if there's some way to offer a trial, because he said he would be down for a 2-week trial, right, to do this for people, and essentially give them the data or do the autoresponder campaign for them. But I feel like doing that for them for free for 2 weeks is no, this is the way that I'm writing this sales letter, I'm going to be charging thousands of dollars for this. It's not like a $500 a month thing that we're doing for people. So it's $2,000 minimum, it's a big ticket item. So basically what I want to do is I'm thinking to myself, what can we get people, I want them to either sign up for some really ridiculously expensive ClickFunnels product, or maybe give them have them sign up for something, right? All right, well, actually, let's just do the guarantee part. Let's see here. What did I even write in the last section? Okay. All those bonuses really sweeten the deal, don't they? If you want to take a moment and go to the doctor to make sure you didn't catch diabetes. I'll wait. What's that? You're still here? Okay. Well, since you're still here, let me take this opportunity to tell you about our guarantee. Now look, it goes without saying that obviously we have a 30-day money back guarantee. Is it even possible to sell services like this these days without one? In fact, it's so rare these days that we ever come across. After all, even ClickFunnels is a 30-day guarantee their service. So they really set the tone for, they set the tone for what the minimum acceptable standard of behavior should be. That's just my opinion, at least. But anyway, here's the bottom line. If you're not happy for some reason after using the service for 29 days and 23 hours, just let us know in that last hour that you want your money back, and we'll give you back every penny. And we'll oblige. Keep in mind that well, yeah, that's fine. Be back every penny. 'Cause look, the end of the day, we don't want anybody's money who isn't happy that they gave it to us. We're here to stay for a long time. Our service is literally going to be the next big thing. It's here to stay for a long time, and honestly, we don't care about a couple bucks here and there. If someone really feels like actually chooses to stop using us after they start. We know that some people out there are just impossible to please no matter what. Hi, Mom. No, I'm kidding. My mom's actually very nice, very easy to please. Possibly like the most easy to please person in the world. But I should probably write that. Easiest person to please that I know. If those people are their money back, then that's no problem for us. Well, actually, that probably sounds bad. Because then that's like implying that if they want their money back, they're impossible to please. Is that good? Probably not. So let me just come out and say it one more time in case it wasn't clear. If you're not happy with our service for some strange reason, after have 30 days to request a full refund. Alright, that was fun.